About my neighbor Earl. You see, Earl retired about 8 months ago. He worked 35 years at the plant. He had the same schedule, same rhythm, and same purpose. And then, just like that, one Friday, they gave him a handshake and a sheet cake. Comes Monday morning, he woke up with nowhere to be. And let me explain something to you. That's a hard thing for a man, and it's a hard thing for a woman. It's just a hard thing for anyone to go through. You know, his wife Carolyn, though, she still works. She leaves at 7:30 every morning. And Earl, he just stands there in his driveway.